Okay, it's been a really long day. Mama's exhausted. I'm exhausted. But I just wanted to update you guys on the puppies. She ended up having a total of 5, but one of them was stillborn. Poor thing. My older daughter is really upset about that. But yeah, everybody's just kind of sleeping right now. Got the kids to sleep. Everyone's been sick around here. And then with the puppies coming today, we are just exhausted. But like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and I will come on tomorrow and show you guys the puppies a little bit more.